Assalamu alaikum.
Salam to Allah.
My question is that I made up the fast that I missed due to menses in the previous Ramadan, but some of my fasts have been made up which were missed the years before the previous Ramadan. So, so am I obliged to make them up before this Ramadan?
Now, when a person has missed fasts, we do not record, okay, I have fasts from day 17 to day 24 of Ramadan 5 years ago. And then I have fasts from the first day of Ramadan to the 10th day of Ramadan 4 years ago. And when I make up, I check which date I missed. No, it's a lump sum. How many days have you missed throughout your life? Oh, I've missed approximately 25 days, Sheikh. And it doesn't matter which date were of the last year or the year before or the year before that and so forth. Therefore, these 25 days are considered to be a lump sum. You have to make up these 25 days without designating this day is for that year and this day is for the previous year and so on. You have done wrong if you were able in the past 11 months since last Ramadan till this Ramadan, you had the chance to fast so many days, you didn't. So when now Ramadan is next week and you're having panic attacks, whoops, what have I done? I have so many days, I can't make them up. Which should I make up in the next 5-6 days to compensate of this year or that year or the year before? No, it doesn't matter. Fast as many days as you can to make up before this Ramadan and ask Allah Azza wa Jal for forgiveness for the remaining days. After Ramadan finishes, try to finish all what you have and Allah knows best.